Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 2nd, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 0 stars Sudoku. Then we have a 4 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And the first one I will solve is the 2 stars Sudoku. Well, this one is a 0 star, so let me start with this one. And this one will be number 6853, I believe. Yes, 6853. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. I believe this one has 28. So it should be an easy one. It's not actually a 2 stars, but a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. And it has 26 printed digits. This one has 27. Maybe the publisher has indicated this puzzle wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, okay. And then let me see, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the third column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. We have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. Then 8, okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then let me see. 2, need that number here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have a 1 and a 6 in the second column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. One box left in the third column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well. Well, we have a pair. 2 and a 3 in this row. 2 and a 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Then 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this big square. Here or there, we see another 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Right. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. It should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 4 and 7. Then let me think. 2, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. 7, 5. Come on. 5. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yep. We have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay, here we have also 2 missing numbers in this row. The 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6 are missing. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next down, we need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1. Let me see. How about the 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Yeah, 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next to the last column. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. How about the 6 then? And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. How about the number 2, 3, 4? No, the 4 cannot. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 4s are not used. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. How about the 5? Nope. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square from us. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from Mr. 1. The 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Well. I'm pleased with the time. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second Sudoku puzzle, 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.